In this lesson, we will discuss question number 19th, 20th and 21st of exercise 1.2 linear inequalities in one variable. So the question number 19 is 1 over 3 multiplied by x minus 5 positive 4 is greater than 1 over 6 into 2 minus 3x plus 1. Again, see, is this in this question we have fraction. This is 1 over 3, this is positive 4. I can write down one more time. It will be 1 over 3 into x minus 5 positive 4 is greater than 1 over 6 into 2 minus 3x positive 1. So see, there are four terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there is no denominator. It means 1, it means 1. This is not the rule that you have to write down, right? But I am just making easy for you. That is why I have put 1. Now here is the fraction, here is the fraction. We have to remove this fraction, or simply you can say we have to make 1 in the denominator. We have 1 here, we have 1 here. We have to make 1, we have to make 1. So these are four terms. If we multiply four terms by 6, this term by 6, this term by 6, this term by 6, in this way we will get 1 in the denominator, or we will remove the fraction. So see, 3 1 time 3, 3 2 times 6. Here 6 1 time, here 6 1 time. So the question is why I said you have to multiply by 6. Because you have to write down a number, or you have to multiply the numerator with a number which is present, which comes in both the table 3 and 6. Or if you multiply 3 multiply by 18, if you multiply these four terms with 18, you will get the correct answer. So this we have 2 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. No need to write down the denominator. 2 into x minus 5 plus 24 is greater than, here we have cancelled this, only we have left 2 minus 3x plus 6. Right, so now we have to open this parenthesis. 2x minus 10 plus 24 is greater than 2 minus 3x plus 6. In next step we have to take the transpose. This is 2x will remains the same. We do not have any variables here. These two will go to the other side of the inequality, but this is negative. It will come up here on the left hand side. 2 is constant, will remains the same. Positive 6 will remains the same. It will be positive 10 and negative 24. So this is 5x, which is, this is 8, 18, negative 24. So 5x is greater than negative 6. So here we have to divide both sides with the positive sign. There is no need to switch this inequality. X is greater than negative 6 over 5 is the answer. Sorry. Question number 20th, again we have fraction. So I will write down one more time and I will show you how many terms we have. This is one term, this is second term, this is third term, and the fourth term is 1 over 2. Right, okay. So here see, we have fraction, we have fraction, we have fraction. Here is 3. Now I am not going to write down denominator 1. We have to multiply all these four terms with a number, because we have to remove the fraction. So what is the simple way? Simple way is multiply these two, whatever is in the denominator, 4 5 times 20, and then 22 times 40. Right, 5 4 times 20, and then 22 times 40, or 4 2 times 5 4 times 20 is also fine. We can multiply these four terms with 20. Multiply by 20. Here same thing with 20. If you will multiply with 40, that is also fine, right? 5 4 times 20 and 22 times 40, but 20 is also fine. So 23 times 60 into 1 minus 2x. 4 1 time 4, 4 5 times 20, it will be positive 5. 5 1 time 5 4 times 20, so 4 into 3x minus 1 plus 2 1 time and 2 10 times 20. Now we will open this parenthesis. 60 minus 120x plus 5 is less than 12x minus 4 plus 10. Now here we have to take the transpose. Minus 120x, this x will come on the other side, so the sign will change. Negative 4 will remains on the right hand side, positive 10, negative 60 and negative 5, because we have to take the transpose of these two. So it will be negative 132x. This is negative negative negative, right? And this is positive, so this is minus 69 plus 10, which is equal to minus 59. Here we have to divide both sides with the negative 132. So see, this will cancel, but this sign will change to greater than. These two cancel, it will be x is greater than 59 over 132, and this is our answer. In these type of questions, you have to remove the fractions. One more question. Z over 3 minus 7 over z plus 1 is less than equal to 3z over 2 plus z plus 3. Here we have 6 term. 1 2 3 4 5 6. See, here we do not have any. Okay, I will write down one more time. Z over 3 negative z over 7 plus, there is no denominator, okay, it means 1. 3z over 2 plus z over 1 plus 3 over 1. We have to multiply all these 6 terms with a number, because we have to remove the fractions. So what number you have to multiply these two? 3 7 times 21 and 21 2 times 42. If we will multiply all these terms with the 42, in this way we will get 1 in the denominator, or fraction will remove 42, and this is 42. Right here 3 1 time 3, 3 1 time 4, here is 14z minus 7 1 time 7 6 time. So see, 6z, you can check that we have all 1 in the denominator. This 2 1 time and this 3 1 time 3, 63z plus 42z plus 3 2 times 6 and 3 4 times 12, so 126. Now we will take the transpose. 14z minus 6z will remains the same. We have this 63z minus 42z is less than equal to 126. Take the transpose of this 42, which is minus 42. So this is positive, 14z is positive, all these are negative. When you add, it will be equal to 101. Z is less than, subtract 126 minus 42, we will get 84. And here we have 97z minus 97z is less than equal to 84. So you have to divide both sides with the negative number. Negative, it means these two cancel, and this sign will change to greater than equal to negative 84 over 97, and this is our answer. So I hope all these 3 questions are clear. If any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.